Previously on Taliana Return. So in this episode, I did a flexi rod set that actually looks cute. But this wasn't the look that I was going for my birthday. I didn't want a curly fro. I wanted actual curls. But because of my hair texture, it came out a bit frizzy. Probably I need to try this again with a gel instead of a mousse. I need a stronger hold. But anywho, so because I didn't want this look for my birthday, I decided to do a flexi rod set the day of my birthday. So this is what you're going to see in this video. So cue intro. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell that lets you know every time I upload a video. So, I post videos once a week, usually on a Friday. So stay tuned on a Friday, you more likely see a upload. So in this clip, you're going to see me detangling the flexi rod set, and I am using a wand curl in order to do this style. Just a disclaimer, I did put heat protectant all over my hair. I know this video does not show me putting heat protectant on, but it's very important that you protect your hair from the heat. So and my hair is already moisturized previous to me doing the flexi rod set. If you watch the video, you will see the products that I use. So this is not really a tutorial per se because this is my first time doing a wand curls, and I burnt myself so often. So what you see me do just a while ago, I use a hairspray, um a Braid Sheen hairspray to lightly hold my hair and give it some shine. And I'm just putting my hair on the wand, and I left it on for exactly 10 to 15 seconds, and my wand curls is actually on low heat. So in this clip, I put it at actual real time so that you can see what I am doing. I am separating my hair into a small medium section, and as you can see, it already has the flexi rod curl. So what I'm doing, I'm finger detangling and smoothing my hair before I put it on the wand, because you don't want to put your hair on wand or flat iron or put any kind of heat on hair that is tangled. It will cause more breakage, and we don't want any breakage or split ends. So I'm just finger detangling and smoothing out my hair so that I can get a smoother curl. So I separated that medium piece into a smaller piece so that I can get more definition, because this is the front section of my hair. I wanted it to be more defined. So I held the one curl up because I couldn't hold it down. I didn't know how to hold it down. So I wrapped it all the way towards the ends, and I held it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then to take it off, I just took it off the opposite way that I put it on, because that was the way that was easiest for me to take it off. So this is you're not going to hear me talk anymore until the end of the video, so just enjoy some music and watch me style my hair. Have a wonderful and blessed day, guys. I appreciate all my new subscribers. Share my content towards your friends so that I can reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. How my flexi rod should have looked. Well, not elongated like that, but less braids. Oh my god. the result. And I haven't really fluffed it, and it's still big, but I'm afraid to fluff it because my hair is get really frizzy. Like, it get really frizzy, and I think I'm just gonna leave it at this, even though I would love it to be bigger, but I think that this is big enough. So this is the side. So the back. I'm gonna come back full glam and show you how it looks with makeup and clothes. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget that I post videos at least once a week. So in order for you to get the videos, you have to ensure that you subscribe. And when you like my videos, it let you Google know to push my videos through. So remember to have a blessed day and that God loves you.